Hi everyone. This video is to help beginning programmers when starting out. If you ever feel lost or overwhelmed, simply refer back to this video and focus on the 5 tips that I'm sharing to get you back on track. Without any further delay, let's dive into the 5 tips. Tip number 1, properly set up your workspace. To get the most out of programming, you'll need the right tools on your computer. Make sure to have the right versions of development software installed on your computer and make sure your environment is configured correctly. This is a crucial step if you want to get off on the right foot. Tip number 2, learn the basics. Before jumping into writing code, make sure to familiarize yourself with the basics. Look into how programming works. Become educated on the language you'll be using and the different types of applications you will be making. This knowledge can help you when developing your own projects. Tip number 3, read source code. After you have the basics down, look into the work of other programmers. Look through their source code to figure out how they solved certain problems. Open source projects are a great place to start as they have documents and forums to explain what is going on. This will help you improve your own coding skills. Tip number 4, get feedback. As you create programs and applications, you'll want to get feedback from users and peers. If a project doesn't work, feedback can help you determine what is causing the problem. Other users could show you alternate ways of accomplishing something and further enhance your projects. Tip number 5, keep up with trends. Learning the basics of programming is one thing, but also be sure to stay informed of the latest trends in the industry. This will keep you ahead of the competition and provide valuable insights into the ever-changing nature of programming. In conclusion, following these 5 tips will help you get started faster and smoother. Consider this a guide to help you out when you encounter an obstacle. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for similar upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.